Hello everyone, welcome to Design Information. This is the summary information for design steel warehouse based on IS 802/2007. The given warehouse structure is constructed with a steel frame grade SE 440 or year stress is equal to 300 ampere megapascal. The structure has 7 frames. Frame 1 to 9 are shown in a picture below, and the section we selected 500 multiply 200 multiply 79.36 for steel column and raster. We use ISGC 150 for purlin and circular hollow section 100L for press. The connection between the column and raster assume fully fixed, and at the base we use the pin connection. This is the design load. The load on row was found to be 0.1 kPa kilonewton per square meter. Light load on row we use the minimum 0.4 kPa, and the light load on mezzanine floor take it 2.5 kPa. The basic wind speed is 39 meters per second. Based on the gap factor 3 seconds and return period 50 years, IS 825 part 3, we include the same way all the members in our analysis and design. This is the apply load on the mezzanine floor, and how we select the wind zone 39 meters per second. Wind map all in there. Perspective view of the 3D. The width of the warehouse is 30 meters, and the total length is 48 meters. Top view of the foundation. Top view of the mezzanine floor at level 4 meters. Top view of the roofs at level 10 meters. This is the elevation view of the frame 1, elevation view of the frame 7, elevation view of the frame S. The rigidity of the connection. Pin or fit you can check with the color. Fit color, and yellow is pin. The cross section. The design strength of the steel raster, and section for the column, and design strength for the column. Thank you for your watching. We get all information. We continue to Tekla Structural Designer to model, analysis and design. Thank you.